But we select McDonald's. And let's go. As you can see, the snowplows haven't come out yet, but there's been some cars on the road. What's interesting here, you can see it can't actually see it's not showing the curbs here, but it can obviously smart enough to know where it thinks they are. So even though it can't see distinct lines, it's smart enough to know that the road is probably here. Which is actually quite fascinating. Now let's see. So here we have an unprotected left turn in the winter with probably just blowing snow. I don't think this is really much of a snow. And unplowed roads. And it handles it perfectly. Oh, and it's slipping and sliding. And it's driving perfectly. Jesus Christ. Okay, now it looks like this road might be plowed. Yeah, I think they at least put some salt out. That's doing a good job of keeping a big distance between the cars. See how it's got a longer distance than normal? It's slowing down. It's a lot less aggressive than it is normally. Oh yeah, it's fully aware that the road's slippery. That's amazing. Oh yeah. That's impressive. Hell, a lot of people who live in Chicago their whole lives can't drive this well. That's a cool car. I really like that car. Remember when we were going to get that little 300E? Mm-hmm. I'm glad we didn't. That thing turned out to be a total piece of shit. But it's a cool looking car. I think, is that a Cybertruck up there? Can't tell. It looks like the Cybertruck light bar.
Yeah.
Oh, score! It is! Oh, and a red one too! Nice! God, I want one so bad. Now what's it going to do? Okay, it's going to go the long way, which is probably okay. I don't know why it doesn't go this way anymore, though. It used to. Okay, yeah, it is definitely. Can you tell too? It's definitely aware of the slippery roads and driving appropriately. This is cool. She's doing a great job. She started slowing down way back. It's weird though, because I'm not driving, I don't have a good feel myself for the roads. So I'm making a mental note of when I would start slowing down. And if she doesn't start slowing down before that, I'll jump in. Just so you know that I'm fully aware of what's going on. And this is even worse here. Yeah, she's already applying the brakes. I can feel it.
really slippery over here.
Yeah, this is where she slipped last time, making this turn and disconnected FSD. Tracking all that. There's a truck up there. Yeah, there was a truck up there. Okay, so I'm gonna get ready to take control if I have to. Oh, beautiful. Oh, much better than last time. Much better than last time. Yeah, she didn't even disengage. She did the skid and didn't even disengage. That's awesome. Good job, car. Good job. That was impressive. Good job, car. Jesus. I think at this point she drives better than most Chicago drivers. In the snow. It's hard to believe that people who live there their whole life can't figure out how to drive in the snow. Good job. Very good. Oh, really, really nice.
This will be interesting.
Yeah, this will be interesting. See, is there a curb over there just in case we end up hitting something?
No, it's just very,
Oh, good.
very slippery. You're going on an incline.
Oh, perfect.
See,
Oh, perfect. Nice.
there's a big pothole up here somewhere.
Yeah, there's a few of them up here.
Yeah. That's why I never start FSD until after I'm out of the parking lot.
Yeah,
Yeah.
potholes are still an issue. Unfortunately.
Yeah, there it is.
She's doing fine. She's doing fine. She's got it. Good job. Good job, car. Good job. And start self-driving. Okay. Excellent, excellent. I can feel the car slip sliding, and you can see the steering wheel compensating. Now, does she see this other car? She doesn't see this other car. There she sees it now. This turn's going to be a little tight. Oh, perfect. Good job. Really good job. That was a little nerve-wracking. Good job stopping there. Very, very good job. Okay, this car is going to turn, so you can go. Okay, she sees the car. There it is. Okay. So we turn. There we go. Slip sliding a little bit. Sucks. You know what? We're gonna put this in. No, not Mad Max mode. Chill. Actually, we're gonna go into sloth mode. Looks pretty cool. It looks like a smiley face. I'm guessing that's intentional. Yeah, that's definitely intentional. That's pretty cool. Ah, yeah, finally. I've been waiting for that. That actually makes sense. Okay, I'm just going to drive a little bit. Okay, let's tell them what happened. It's very slippery roads. It's snowing out. This light, I want to turn it back on again. Okay. was having no trouble seeing. Visibility is probably not that bad out here. Let's see if I can get... Grok, can you go to the Waukegan Airport website and get the visibility?
The Waukegan National Airport website does not have current weather or visibility data. The latest METAR from yesterday evening shows 10 miles visibility.
You don't have any visibility numbers for KUGN? For right now?
No current METAR reports available right now for KUGN. The most recent from last night shows 10 miles visibility.
Okay.
You might check aviationweather.gov or Flight Radar 24 for any updates.
Gotcha. Okay. Goodbye. Let's see if I can... see if I can get it through... So Waukegan Airport's the closest airport. It's about 4 miles away. 4 nautical miles. Oh, sorry, Grok.
No worries at all.
Actually, about how far is Waukegan Airport from our current location?
It's about 7.2 miles from our current spot in Lindenhurst, Illinois. Straight shot northwest on local roads.
Gotcha. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Safe travels. Put her in sloth mode. Only because Set navigation to Waukegan National Airport.
No. Scratch that. Forget that. Sorry, I didn't realize you were listening. I did put her in sloth mode. Let's see. Oh yeah, she's stopping way before the line up there. She's giving herself lots of leeway. She's very aware that it's slippery outside. This is fantastic. Is that an Aria? No, it's a Murano. Okay, so we got some kids with a bus here. Okay.